In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on Squarespace. We'll walk through creating a dedicated event page so your visitors can quickly see what's coming up and get the details they need. The process is quick and beginner-friendly, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to keep everything clear. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Website to open your site tools, then select Pages. This is where all your existing pages live, and it's the central place to organize your site's navigation. Taking a moment here to confirm which navigation section you're in can help you keep your event in the right place, whether that's the main navigation, the footer, or a not linked area you plan to use later. Next, in the Pages panel, look toward the top and click the plus icon to add a new page. This opens a gallery of page types and design options. Choose Group Events. This creates an events collection for your site, which is perfect when you want multiple events to live together in a single, organized space. You'll then see a set of templates you can use for the page. Pick the one that matches your style. Don't stress too much about the choice. Templates are a starting point, and you can refine the look later. The important part is getting the structure in place so your events display consistently. Once your group events page is created, you can enter the event details on the page. Add a clear event title so visitors know exactly what it is. Enter the date and time to avoid confusion, and include the location if it's in person, or a short note if it's online. Write a concise description that covers what attendees will learn or experience, and consider adding a featured image to make the event stand out visually. If the template provides fields for more information, use them to keep details organized and easy to scan. As you type, think about what a first-time visitor needs to decide whether to attend. Things like who it's for, what to bring, and any special highlights. When you're done filling in the event details, review the page to make sure everything reads cleanly and looks consistent with the rest of your site. That's all. You've added an event page, opened Pages from the website panel, used the plus icon to create a new page, selected group events with a template, and entered your event details. You're ready to share your updates and keep your audience informed.